Hello, this is Rakesh Rao from Design Sense Software Technologies, Bangalore. In this CAD Power video, I'm going to show you how you can convert your freestanding text and MText data into structured Excel data as CSV files. In this drawing, you can see that we have a table. Now, this table is not made with the table entity of AutoCAD or BricsCAD. Instead, it is made up with single freestanding text. Now, you all will agree that it is very cumbersome to convert this into an Excel sheet with exactly the same columns as you can see here. But with CAD Power, it's really easy. So we go to CAD Power and under BOQ Tools, I click on ERP Export Tools and there is an option here called Convert Text Table to Excel CSV Data. Now this is an automatic procedure by which I can convert the data into a CSV file. So I click on this. So it's asking me to select the entities. Now before I select the entities, I must be sure that I have reasonably accurate and structured data. Now what I mean by reasonably accurate and structured is that all the text size must be more or less the same. If it's slightly more or less, it is fine, but it should not be that one text is too big and another is too small. And they must be organized in a tabular fashion, as you can see now. Now this is not difficult because most of the data that we produce here in India do resemble this table, so it's very easy to get this type of table. So I'm going to select the entire text very carefully by using the crossing out. So I'm going to choose all the columns in this list. Now if you see, all my columns have almost the equal number of text. So this is important because this will give you correct and accurate results. So I'm going to press enter now. Once again we are back to the dialog box. So the export file is shown here, convert to excel_example1.csv, which is the same as the drawing name but with the CSV extension. So I'm going to click OK. Now when I said OK, you can see in the status here, you can see that 50 rows of table data have been exported as a CSV file. So you can check that out. So we go here to the drawing folder and you can see the table CSV has been created just now. So if I open this file, so exactly the same information from the drawing is now available in the CSV file as a Excel data. So it's identical. You can see it starts from row number 48 here. It has got 6 columns and it ends here INOQTY, and it is exactly the same here in Excel as well. So this is one of our most popular commands in CAD Power and a huge time saver. In fact, many of the CAD Power commands are designed to export DWG data as Excel data. Now let us look at another semi-automatic way, and I'm going to show this other command also in the same video because they are very similar and related. So if I go here to export, there's something called export columns of data into CSV file. Hello, this is semi-automatic. It is not as automatic as the first one, but it will also do the job in a similar manner. So I'm once again giving the export file. So let's call this say example 1A. The previous one was example 1 and this is example 1A. Now number of columns in CSV output, so that is 6, and scan direction is down because I want to scan from top to down. Now why I call this semi-automatic is because here you will have to now select them column by column. So first it's now asking me to select column 1 of text. Now the only thing that you need to be aware of here is that you have to select the columns very carefully. So this is my first column and you can see 50 items have been selected in the first column. So this forms like a reference. If your first column has 50 elements, your second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth columns also must have exactly 50 elements. So first column has been selected. Now it's asking you for the second column. So second column, once again I select very carefully here and third column I'm going to select is this one. So you can see each time I'm selecting exactly 50, so that is why it is accepting it without an error. If you select 51 or 49, it will give you an error because you need to select exactly 50. So fourth column is done. Now the fifth column, hello, and now the sixth. So you can see that it has exported this into a new CSV file called 1A with the extended name as 1A. So this is the old one and this is the new CSV file. Now if I open this CSV file also, it's going to look exactly like the previous file. There's absolutely no difference. The only difference was in the way we have exported it. In the first case it was a completely automatic way of exporting, and in the second case it was a semi-automatic way by which we selected column by column. Now you may ask, why do we need a semi-automatic way when we already have an automatic way? The answer is very simple. In this particular case, yes, the drawing data is quite very well organized, so you could do with the automatic way also. But let us say you have a situation where these columns are not aligned properly, they are slightly different, maybe the text size is different, maybe the layer is different, maybe some are text, some are in text. There could be some complications in the data, there could be some inconsistency in the data. In such cases, a semi-automatic way will give you better results. So like in all the program output, you need to check your data by verifying with the drawing and make sure that what you have exported is indeed what is there in the drawing. But I have shown you now two methods by which you can export drawing data into CSV or Excel format. You can note the command line also. It is cp_csv export for the semi-automatic way. So for the automatic way, it is under BOQ tools, under ERP tools, convert text table to Excel. So the command is cp_convert to Excel. Now this same command is available in AutoCAD also, and it works exactly the same way as it does in BricsCAD. So in AutoCAD also I'm going to open the same drawing, and you can see that it shows exactly the same. And if you come here to CAD Power menu in AutoCAD, the commands are available in exactly the same place in AutoCAD also. So I hope you find this command useful. This is one of our most popular commands, and it's a huge time saver for anyone wanting to export DWG table data into Excel data. Thank you very much for watching this video, and do let me know if you have feedback on this command.